Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today you can see I'm in my home wood shop. This is one of my favorite places to be because I love woodworking. And what's even more exciting is that the main sponsor of tools for my channel is Haus of Tools, and they now carry Bessey clamps. Couldn't be more excited because I've been using Bessey clamps for years. These panel clamps here, these parallel clamps, probably had them for over 20 years. Some of my bar clamps, same thing, 20, 25 years. These have been in the shop. They still work great. But today I'm going to talk about something other than that, not bar clamps, but these clamps. It's a very unusual clamp. This is a table clamp, they call it. And why is that? Because it has this right here. It's kind of unusual, but this goes in a T-track. And if we take this off, same thing here. This fits in a T-track. So they're very versatile. So it's very similar with the button here to move it back and forth and the handle to make it close. So it's a 12-inch bar clamp. But what makes it unique is with this button here, we can move this out, we can turn it around, say this way. So when we put that back in there, if I line it up correctly and close that, it's a typical bar clamp here. We can also slide this off, and this pad here can be removed, and it can be moved over to here, so we can get a little more throat opening here. So that's what's really nice there. So this one is a 6-inch clamp is what they call that. I may have said 12 earlier. It's a 6-inch clamp, or about 150 millimeters. And this one will give you about 100 pounds of clamping force here. And it's got about a 2 3/8 opening for the throat. But what's really unique, and we'll put this back in the way it's supposed to be here, is that it works on like T-tracks, like panel saws. If you have a track saw, what you can do is you unhook, you put this back the way it was, like this one. Oh, they both the same way. Okay, so you flip this way, and here, what you can do is you put this, I got this completely wrong. Let's try it the correct way. There we go. So you put this on your panel, and then this would go under your bench to clamp that way. So it's very unique. It gives you a lot of different possibilities. So here's a piece of T-track that I have sitting in the shop, and as you can see, these clamps fit right inside there. So right there you can use that. So if you make your own jigs, now look, if this was on a tabletop, we can clamp down. We can do a lot of unique things. You can use this to maybe clamp wood to the side of your bench, etc. So because you have here, you have 4 different places. You have here, or 3 different. You have here, and you have here, oh, and right here too. We can pull that off, and that too goes into a T-track. So you have 4 different areas that you can put in your T-track or your track saw and clamp it down. So you can clamp the track down, you can use it in a jig to clamp wood to the jig, etc. Very versatile. They come in a pair, so you get 2 of them. And again, if you turn it around this way, it's just a standard clamp. So you can use it as a regular clamp when you're clamping, or if you're pulling out your jig with the T-track or your panel saw or your track saw, boom, use that to clamp that down. So Bessey's really come up with a unique clamp here that has so many different possibilities around the shop, in addition to all the other great ones that they have. So why don't you get out and get yourself a few more clamps, including these here, because they're a big help to you. And in the meantime, if you could click that button for subscribe and like, we'd appreciate that. Trying to build the channel and get the word out about all this. And keep making that sawdust.